Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra images and videos featuring the hands-on aluminum dummy unit and transparent back case have recently surfaced online. Ice Universe shared a back case video of the Galaxy S25 Ultra on his X account, previously known as Twitter. This video reveals a jelly case designed for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, confirming that the device's corners will be rounded. The case also indicates that the S Pen slot on the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be positioned closer to the device's edge, aligning with earlier leaked renders. As for the second major leak, thanks to online solitaire and X leaks, we now have hands-on photos and videos of the S25 Ultra's aluminum dummy model. This gives us a clearer idea of how the phone will feel when held in hands. Based on this dummy unit, Samsung seems to be maintaining its minimalist design approach. The Galaxy S25 Ultra showcases a sleek rear design featuring 5 circular cutouts for the camera array, much like the S24 Ultra. Do you prefer a circular design or an edgy one? Feel free to share in the comments below. Furthermore, the Galaxy S25 Ultra model is expected to have bezels thinner than those of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, providing a larger display area. A punch-hole front camera and an earpiece speaker are also present at the top of the screen, though how Samsung plans to achieve this feat is still unknown. The phone will have a thickness of 8.2 millimeters compared to the 8.6 millimeters of the 2024 model, and will weigh 219 grams, lighter than the 2024 model S24 Ultra's 232 grams. It will also be slightly narrower, measuring 77.6 millimeters compared to 79.0 millimeters, all while retaining the same 5,000 mAh battery capacity. These changes suggest notable enhancements in ergonomics. Additionally, it's anticipated that the entire Samsung Galaxy S25 series will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. The S25 Ultra has also been certified for satellite connectivity, though it's unclear if this feature will be exclusive to this model or available across the entire S25 lineup. Notably, all Pixel 9 and iPhone 16 models offer satellite connectivity as well. Additionally, the well-known tipster Ice Universe recently shared a post on X revealing the expected RAM space for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. While previous leaks have already given us a hint, the tipster reassured us that the smartphone will likely offer up to 16 gigs of RAM. He also said, 100% confirmed, in the shared post, giving confidence to the expected upgrade. This year, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra was launched with 12 gigs of RAM. Now, this major upgrade will allow the smartphone to provide greater performance efficiency and AI-related tasks. Official details are still limited, but it's expected that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be unveiled in early 2024 as part of Samsung's annual Galaxy S series Galaxy Unpacked launch event. The launch event will likely introduce the S25 Ultra alongside other models in the S25 lineup. For a complete view of the S25 series, check out my other video linked in the I section or the description. What do you think of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design? Are you excited about it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.